Hello and welcome to the world of the Build Your Own 3D printer, EC50 3D Create and Print. And this week we've got the, the control unit rear cover. Just this. Just go on that bit there. This will be the same as 2 weeks ago. This is issue 48. They had the control unit front cover, which is this bit here. And also, as you can see, this is retro gamer called Dumbass safety stickers. I'll show you. Okay, so let's open the magazine. The usual whip access code 731. Design files will show you in there. Fine print: at the frontier of science and technology, the future is tiny. And it's already begun. Welcome to the minuscule world of nano and micro 3D printing. Don't know why you want to do that, but hey. Apparently that is 0.05 millimeters big. And that sculpture there is even smaller. That's eye of a needle. Don't know why you want to go that small, but there you go. That's 0.03 of a millimeter. Don't really see the point going that small. Can't really see much, but there you go. Building a village part 3. The design tutorial showing you how to use the design program. So you're doing it on a okay. 2 photon polymerization. Not quite sure what that means. That's the Saturn Vector 3 control unit rear cover. Fix the control unit rear cover to the bottom plate with 6 screws from beneath. And there's a warning, as I said, retro game called the Dumbass stickers. Warning safety advice labels. Okay. And these are the build up project, the design files. So Art Nouveau hair ornament, shark clip. Next week is main power socket. Okay. Okay, so let's get this out the oh, here they are. For a second I thought there were no screws. Okay, so they were hiding. Okay, so I've got 6 screws, 1 control rear control unit rear cover. So I've got to clip these clips off. Okay, so maybe I can just simply just twist this one off. So that can go be recycled, don't want that. So that's just recycled. Okay, now this apparently goes, now if you go to, I'll show you the website address. If you go to www.3dprinter-collection.com, not only does it show you in the magazine how to do it, but there's a tutorial on the website showing you how it all fixes together, which is slightly better because I found there's so many mistakes in these magazines. And if you go on the tour online, it shows you better how to do it. Okay, so I have to put that down. Apparently it clips that side, and then it just clips. Okay, let's get, where did I put? Okay, right, so take them out. If you've got one screw in, all the others should follow. Now that's interesting because they've really put 2 stickers on already, and yet they've asked you to put, see, there's them two, there's that USB port sticker there and the power sticker there, and yet they've got, there's 3 stickers there which they want you to put on yourself. Interesting. And then in the video I have to take these, like 2 weeks ago I had to take these 2 off to get that one, that screw there. see it's very difficult to get behind there, so you have to take that one off, and then there's that screw just there, so you've got to take you've got to take this foot off, so I can get to that hole just there. This foot. Now, the only good thing about these feet, they're designed so you can take them off, so you can. So if your 3D printer's not exactly flat, you can adjust the feet so it makes it more level. Put the last screw in just here. Now I've got to find out where these stickers go. Okay, so let's put this down flat. It's starting to look good. Like we've put that cover on, there's another cover there, there's back cover here. So there's lots of covers going on, because that's the main frame, which we've done a few months back. Quite a few electronic parts, as you can see. All this wiring looked quite messy. Hope it gets tidied up. So let's find out where all these stickers go. So there's 3, making sure they go in the right place. Maybe I ought to lower this plate a bit, make it easier. Maybe I ought to go and find a cloth, get rid of some of this dust. Back in a second. Okay, so I've got 3 labels. Two about saying a hot surface. Warning, hot surface do not, one says do not touch, one says hot hazard moving parts, keep fingers now. Okay. Important, please do not remove the USB symbol label or the large power input and output label that are fixed to the control unit rear. 140. These are required to comply with international safety and recycling legislations. I did say about that, so that's probably why they put them on there, to make sure. These are quite. It says, please do. I don't know if you quite read that. The small USB labels, that's what I said about earlier, or the large power input and output data, which is that one there. Interesting, those labels aren't shown on that your parts picture. Okay, nor in the diagram. Okay. Oh, I see. So maybe I can. leave it. Okay, so this one, okay, this is a position that has the moving parts, which is this one on the side of the y-axis 29. So that goes there. Okay, so maybe if I give that a wipe, just do a dry, I've got an old dry cloth here just to make sure there's no dust on there. Because it needs to be clean and dry, not dirty or wet. If you try to put a sticky ladle onto where it's like dirty or wet, it won't fix it, keep them coming off. That's why ultra important if you can put a stick on to something, make sure it's clean, dry, not dirty and wet. So I've wiped all the dust off that, so I'll just wipe. Right, so making sure this is faced right way. So this one goes there. Okay. Okay, second one goes there. Position of large hot surface, do not touch, warning on the top right hand corner of the FR4 heat. So this one, oh I see, and then that one goes there. So okay, so this one goes there. Can't do this two hands, it's just one-handed, I mean. And then lastly, see, pushing small hot surface warning light on the spring clip. Oops. And that one goes there. Again, nice clean dry surface. Bit wonky. There you go, that's better. Now, warning, hazard moving parts, keep things and other body parts away. Warning, hot surface, do not touch. Warning, hot surface. So I mustn't remove. So that's what it now looks like. All the parts, got the power switch there. There's a motor there. A motor there. And yeah. And there's another motor, 3 motors. One for up and down, one for, this makes it go left and right, and then that motor there. So that's a VE. And this is 50. That's not quite clipped. Retro Gamer said something about these not clipping on. You can see they don't quite clip. Even on the website they say they do clip together. And he said he hopes there's something what fixes onto here, what holds them together. But we shall see. It looks like there's these things here. So, oh yeah, look, there's the so that's that plastic thing cover. So I think there's something what comes down. So that's about it. So next week it'll be them. Well, in 2 days. Oh yeah, got quick apologies. I know this is about a week late. I went out. I cycled over to Buxton, to the Spring Shopping Centre, just to find it was all closed, and that was on New Year's Day. And I thought there'd be some shops open, but there were a few shops, but mostly everywhere was like, well, the shopping centre was completely closed down. So I cycled over. This is why. So in 2 days' time, it'd be the motor. Through that. So this is why this is a few days late. And I only worked 1 day last week. This week I've got 3 days off. So swings and roundabouts. So that day I missed out last week, I'm making up for this week. So that's about it. Getting very exciting because every week is a week closer. As my friend Alan keeps on saying. Well, that's it. So see you in a few days' time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.